Hey there everyone, Digireader here, and welcome back to Let's Play Cry of Fear. Alright, so I know that according to my name I'm supposed to be reading a lot, but let's face it, Let's Plays are a lot easier to do. And with that being said, let's just dive right into this. Of course, by the way, I have a sleeping dog behind me, so if you hear dog snores, yeah, that would be the case. So, I'm really excited by the fact that I actually learned how to save. Yeah. Alright. To the right. I have a feeling I'm about to be attacked soon if it's telling me how to use melee weapon. Got small that your immediate vicinity. That's right. Thanks for the update. Oh, it's blood! Is that blood? On the floor? Of course it's on the blood. How the fuck did it get in here? Yeah, it's a hammer. Ooh. It's a monster! Alright, you're so jittery! You're so jittery!
What the hell? Who was he?
It's just diving us right in here, isn't it? Let me guess. No cell phone cartridge.
Damn it! No signal.
How cliche. Okay, I'm guessing that's just backtracking. Look! Of course! Let's, oh, E to climb on ladders. Like, oh, wait! What is that? What is that? What is that? That looks important! That looks important! Picked up syringe! What's the syringe do? Too much can be dangerous. Okay, I will keep that in mind. Thanks. Going, down into the depths. Great water. Are there going to be any water monster? Maybe I can just sneak past them. How do you crawl again? Control. Oh wow. You're so jittery! You're so creepy! I mean, like, I've seen plenty of jittery, creepy monsters, but... Ow! You know, this isn't exactly fair! Said it would push you back. It doesn't. Okay. I, should probably use that, Careful with it. Yeah, let's just inject. Let's just inject that into me. Why don't we? Are you dead? Okay, yeah, alright. I'm the crazed body stabber. Just don't mind me. Stabbing dead bodies. Oh, great. Ah, you're covered in blood. And you're jittery. You're so jittery. Why are they got? Can I get a better weapon, please? There at least be more, morphine? Or other ways to heal me? I can't look up the ladder! I don't like that. Ooh, that looks grabbable? No? Oh, save point. Okay. Saving progress. Saved. Thank you. Oh, I think the dog just farted. Ugh. Tap there or Alt? What? That would have been. That would have been nice to know before. fair! This isn't fair! Bet they designed it like this. Ugh. Don't like it when they throw you into situations like this. Do I have any more morphine? No. What about in my notes? Nope, absolutely nothing. Alright, creepy creeper. Yeah! Take that! Is there any other you... Yay! More morphine! Quit. I'm just gonna stab this right into my eyes itself again. Because why not? Oh great, hello. Okay, yeah, this is a lot easier now that I know how to Coca-Cola. Now that I know how to dodge, how to doge. Anything useful here? Any secrets? No. Sorry if I become very quiet during fight scenes. I'm one of those kind of people that sort of just I'm very quiet. That's specifically why. So douches like that don't like. Huh? They're not. Is it just me or they've become a lot slower? Or is it just the adrenaline pumping through my character's veins now? These guys got glowy eyes. That looks important. Oh, I just realized something. Okay, you know what? Alright. I'll just stop recording at 11. Or around 11. Now that I know how to use the save system, I'm probably gonna come across them quite often. Probably before, like, massive fights and stuff like that. Can I have another save, please? Somebody, please help me! They're coming! I'm inside apartment, hurry! One apartment. Is it possible to save you, or is that just like a cute event? Oh, look! Parkour! This is where my Minecraft parkour skills are gonna come in handy. Oh jeez. And by skills I mean non-existent skills. Can I go in here? The door won't budge! Just like everything else in this world. Can I please? Shit. Oh, jumping requires stamina. That's good to know. There, doesn't look like it. Oh, look, a ladder. And these weren't here to get up. Why? Is this a zombie apocalypse? Or is this just a craved person in a craved world of his own creation? That typically seems to be the thing in these horror games. Oh look! Dot dot dot! Yeah, like I said before, these loading screens do need a little bit of work. At least in my opinion. Loading screens aren't really that important, but at least if it could build up the atmosphere. Ooh. This place doesn't feel right. My thoughts exactly. 4th floor! Why? How do you know? Help the person on the 4th floor. Oh wait. Said the... Okay. I heard that in the park said the first... And let's go before it gets dark. My secret note. The first one on the merry way home. It's really hard to read this. The third stayed playing all alone. Come here, child, come to me. The whatever that is. The bugles whispered softly. They say curiosity killed the cat. Playing in the court. Said the first kid, let's go home before it gets dark. The first two went to go on the merry way home. Third one stayed alone, playing all alone. Come here, little child, come to me. The bushes whispered softly. They say curiosity killed the cat. Oh. Well. Archived, my secret note number 1. The door won't budge. This looks like a staircase. I'm gonna explore. No, wait. On second thought, I'm gonna. Okay, yeah, just won't do anything for me. Look. How does this person know? Oh, my mouse is about to die. I might have to stop and fix that. I hear the sound of jibber jabber. I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna be one of those people that's just gonna go all the way down and sort of like cycle through it. I hear the sound of a jibber jabber. Jibber jabber in here. Oh, hi there! You have knives! You're a little kid! That's terrifying. Is this gonna be like in a Silent Hill where everything is just in my mind or something like that? I don't know. Anything? What? Oh. It sounded like I was interacting with a button. Button. Ah, little kid. Oh, great, the body disappeared. Why has it gotta be little children? Can I get a gun? Why is this place so full of trash? Door won't budge. Okay, why am I doing this? Here's the staircase. Okay. Alright. Sorry, parents telling me to be quiet. Oh. Wait. Do I have to backtrack now? Ugh. I didn't think that I would be able to interact with that door. Okay. Ugh. But then again, there might be secrets. Okay. Alright, hang on. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Okay. Oh. Okay, found a bug. Found a bug. To the 4th floor. You know what, I'm just not gonna mess with it. To the 4th floor. Oh. Door won't budge. Why can't I, help the person on the 4th floor? Alright, well, I can't interact with the 4th floor. Alright, well. Looks like it's the 2nd floor it is. Any secrets? Alright. Gotta check underneath the stairs. That's where all the secrets are. Normally. Why is there an elevator? Can't call the elevator. It must be stuck somewhere. You mean like right there? Ugh, don't do that. Creepy little child. Creepy little child. Creepy little child. Creepy little child. Owie. Creepy little child with legs. Do you know playing with knives can be bad for you? Ah. Can I get any morphine? Or did I miss morphine? Did I miss the morphine anywhere? The door is locked. Oh, I don't know. I really don't want to go in the room with the crying person. Something got in here. Those little kitties are so cute. They look so lovely. I just want to touch them, but those parents come. That's why I have to kill them. Oh, great. Why? Why has this gotta happen to me? Why am I the crazy person? Am I the one writing the crazy notes? There'll be a monster in here. Or maybe not. Tasted bad. Collection number 1. What? Oh, talk about resin kill hoarder. Come to play. Oh, great. Don't do that! Thanks for the, key. I'm gonna get going now! Big. Why do you have a spike through your head? And where can I get morphine? I really need morphine. By the way, why did you fall over and die? I mean, like, it's convenient for me. Not so convenient for you. Why don't... Budge. Oh, hi there! Hi there, creepy little child. Just, talk about child abuse. No! I guess it can't be considered child abuse since I'm, it's in self-defense. Yes, I know, you're in horrible, horrible pain. Can I have any morphine? Okay. Oh, hi. No, 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 I'm gonna die, 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 I'm gonna die. And I died. What's the time? I died. I died. I don't like that. How long has this recording been? It's just alright, you know, I'm just gonna probably stop right here. If the video's too short right now, then I'll get on tomorrow, because I'm all out of time for now. Anyway, I'll either see you in the next video or here real shortly. Adios amigos. Again, don't know if that's a good outro or not. By the way, I'm fiddled with the settings, so you might be able to actually hear me and not have your ears blasted out by any loud noises.